everybody, hope you're doing well. So this was supposed to be in a video using the Zan Hyperlines in 25 cal, my mate's M4 here. But we've been having trouble. Trying to get a tune for them was just proven to be impossible. Trying to get them to group. They would group fine at 30 yards. You know, my normal slugging distance there to see that they're doing all right is about 30 yards, then put it out to 100. But at 100, they were shocking, absolutely terrible. So what we're going to do is wait for Zan to come out with the 30 cal versions, and then just see how they work with that. Because obviously it's my mate's gun here and he uses it for pest control. And he doesn't want to mess with the tune too much. I could have changed the hammer, a few other things as well, but I was finding the 41 grain lead Zans and the other ones, the 44 grain, I believe, were grouping fine. But putting these Zan Hyperlines in, nothing. Just couldn't do it. So back on the 30 cal Halos and corvid control up a couple of dairy farms. So just going to stitch together a few videos for you and hope you enjoy it. So see you soon, and hopefully we'll be doing another video soon featuring a bit more with old grey squirrels, because right now I can't get down to the track where my feeder is, and it's proven quite active, but the farmer's got stock down there and stuff, and I don't want to really interfere with that. So yeah, just enjoy this video for the time being, and I'll see you soon. There's my cleanup crew, sitting there proudly. Billy Buzzard, might have come more Billy Buzzards really, but he comes in and he likes to eat crow. So nothing here is going to waste.